हेलो एवरीवन। लाइफ इज़ अ जर्नी नॉट अ डेस्टिनेशन। लाइफ एक जर्नी है और इस जर्नी में जो भी रुका वो पीछे रह गया। whoever stops moving will actually fall behind. Yes, I want to say that every time we should be moving, we should be growing, right? Learning is never ending process and in this life journey we have to go on. और जैसे ही हॉलीडेज डिक्लेयर होती हैं, चाहे वो लॉकडाउन हो, पैंडेमिक हो, समर वेकेशन हो, विंटर वेकेशन हो, चिल्ड्रेन और द पीपल जस्ट बिगिन टू रिलैक्स। बच्चे सोचना शुरू करते हैं कि चलो यार छुट्टियां हो गई, आराम से सोएंगे, राइट? और वो लेट आवर्स तक जगते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं और सुबह में लेट से उठते हैं और टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं। एंड दिस वे दे बिगिन टू फॉल बिहाइंड और अपना बहुत मूल्यवान समय वेस्ट कर देते हैं। दिस इज द टाइम टू यूटिलाइज। यस, ऑल टॉक ऑफ हेल्थ। सभी को इतना तो समझ आ गया कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लाइफ में अगर कुछ है तो वो हेल्थ है। सबसे ज़्यादा काम अगर लाइफ में कुछ आएगा तो वो हेल्थ आएगा। बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डज दिस हेल्थ स्टैंड फॉर। हेल्थ डज नॉट स्टैंड फॉर ओनली द फिजिकल हेल्थ। फिजिकल हेल्थ को ठीक करने के लिए सभी लोग बोलते हैं, एवरीवन सेज दैट वी नीड टू टेक एक्सरसाइज डेली। यस, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट वी शुड टेक एक्सरसाइज डेली। वी नीड टू डू मेडिटेशन। यस, वी नीड टू डू मेडिटेशन टू मेंटेन द पीस ऑफ, or we should maintain the calmness of the mind, right? And then we should maintain the diet को भी maintain करना चाहिए, right? So these things are taught to be healthy, but is it enough? No, we forget about the mental health. That is also very important, and for that we need to read. Yes, for that we need to read. For the complete health, we need to follow all these techniques. Yes, these things, this one I had just added, for the growth of the children, for the growth of the students, or for the growth of people, those who want to develop in the future in the life. Like reading is also part of the health. Why? Because when our body requires protein, calcium and nutrients, the same way our mind also requires protein, calcium and nutrients in the form of good content, and that we can get through reading good novels, be it fiction or non-fiction. Choice can be yours, and I strongly recommend that the people or the children especially should read biographies of great people. Yes, when we read the biographies, we come to know a lot of things about their struggles, about their experiences, about their knowledge, and that helps us take the right decision in our life. Yes, we can also read editorial page of the newspaper, which is very, very important. I strongly believe this. Yes, like children are away from the newspaper, they should be reading. Editorial page is available even on the sites also. We can read through the Google. Yes, editorial pages are available, so through that also children can read, which is very important and essential. Now children can spare time, like in 24 hours children cannot be sleeping, cannot be playing, cannot be enjoying. They can spare time even for course book also. Suppose after the vacation there is examination, कोई भी एग्जाम हो तो एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन के बुक्स भी पढ़ सकते हैं, we can read. ऐसा नहीं कि छुट्टियां हो गई तो बस एन्जॉयमेंट, मस्ती और टाइम पास, दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. वी शुड यूटिलाइज द टाइम प्रोडक्टिवली. अगर हम प्रोडक्टिवली टाइम को यूटिलाइज करेंगे, देन ओनली वी कैन ग्रो. Then writing. See, nowadays people don't go for writing, right? They do not like writing. Not only people, children do not like writing, and that's why they fall behind. इसमें क्या होता है कि उनका जो presentation है, if they have read, they don't know how to present and they fall behind. It is rightly said, reading makes a full man, writing makes the man exact. So it is essential to keep writing. लिखना जरूरी है. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can write every day. You can make the diary entry. Whatever happens with you, that only you can write. You can mention in the diary what happened with you, what techniques you learned or what you experienced in the life, that you can just jot down in the diary. You can mention, you can write any story. आप story लिख सकते हो, जो भी मन में आता है, what you read, accordingly you can write stories. Or you can also try for poems. You can try for poems. This way your time will be passed productively. It will really gain you a lot. Then listening. Of course, listening is very important, because it is said that a good listener can be a good speaker. So children or the people can go for audiobooks. Nowadays audiobooks are also available. Like shops are shut down, or you do not have time to go through that one, so audiobooks can be also heard, they can be listened, from the news, from the mobile only. It's very easy, right? You can download and you can listen great speeches delivered by great souls. Great speeches are available. Yes, those speeches will help you improve your communication skill, content, pronunciation, and lots more. Very, very essential audiobooks or great speeches available there on YouTube. Or you can even watch, or read biography. If you don't have time to, if you don't have interest in reading, you don't have books available, you can just watch the biography available there on YouTube. Every day one biography. Believe me, this will change your life. It will bring a drastic change in your development, right? It will add to your progress. Then it is the time to skill, it is the time to improve the skills, right? As the data says, 85% people get success because of good personality. Only 15% people, children or students, get success out of technical education or with the help of technical education. Now I tell you, so many people, crores of people have lost their jobs. Yes, and the people who have lost their jobs, they lack in skills. Yes, let me tell you, my dear friends, they lack in skills. So schools provide degrees, parents promote for studying the course materials, but so many children are not promoted, are not encouraged, or children do not feel that those things do not help secure marks in the examinations, so they do not think in that field. Let me tell you, skills development are very, very important there for the future prospect. Here in the skills, what we can do, this is the high time to improve language. Yes, so many children or the people do not have good command over language, so they can learn any new language. Yes, children can learn new language. Maybe they know English. Yes, if you want to learn English, you can just visit my channel. Lots of videos are available for English. If you are good enough at English, you can improve French, Spanish, Japanese, or any other language where you have interest. You can also develop software. You can go for Java, you can go for C++, or any other language you can learn. This is the time to improve your skill. You can learn Photoshop, you can learn video editing, or you can go for AI. That's artificial intelligence, right? So people or children, I just want to say, if in a journey you stop, you will be stopped, but your friends, your competitors will not stop. Yes, that is the reason some children study in the same institute, taught by the same teacher, study in the same schools, right, or the college or universities. Some children become successful, some children do not get success in any field. The reason is only one, that the people who are successful, they realize, they know very well, life is a journey, not a destination. Means we should always be moving, we should always be learning, we should always be growing, we should always be improving our skills. We should always do something to improve our skills, and that's very, very essential for our career, for our future. And it is rightly said, कहा भी गया है कि शांति काल में जो योद्धा अभ्यास करते हैं, आई रिपीट, शांति काल में जो योद्धा अभ्यास करते हैं वही योद्धा युद्ध में विजयी होते हैं. जो बच्चे वैकेशन में, चाहे वो समर वैकेशन हो, विंटर वैकेशन हो, किसी भी तरीके का वैकेशन हो, उसका एडवांटेज लेकर जो बैठ जाते हैं, जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट नहीं करते, जो पढ़ाई नहीं करते, राइट, दे फॉल बिहाइंड. नाउ चॉइस इज योर्स. You want to be in this category or you want to be in this category, right? So I just request everyone to think of your health, physical health as well as mental health. Thank you so much.